Hello and welcome back to the Supercar channel. If you're eyeing the stylish and practical new 2025 Renault Captur, you've got great taste. This compact SUV offers a fantastic blend of design, technology, and efficiency. But before you sign on the dotted line, you need to know what pitfalls to avoid. Stick around as we walk you through the most common and costly mistakes buyers make so you can get the best possible deal and experience. First, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our in-depth reviews and critical buying guides. Mistake 1. Pagpapansin sa doon. Ignoring the engine trade-offs. Think all Captur engines are created equal. Think again. Choosing the wrong powertrain could leave you frustrated on the highway and hurt your wallet down the road. The 2025 Captur offers a few different engine options, and failing to match one to your lifestyle is a major mistake. The popular 1.0-liter TCE petrol is affordable and fine for city commuting, but if your journeys frequently involve motorways, you'll find it lacks punch. Several owners report that the small turbo engine can feel sluggish and strained at higher speeds, requiring you to really floor it to maintain momentum. Then there's the E-Tech Full Hybrid. It offers brilliant fuel economy, especially in stop-start urban traffic where it spends a lot of time on electric power. However, be aware of the delivery. Some drivers find the automatic transmission on the hybrid system can be inconsistent and occasionally noisy when the petrol engine kicks in under hard acceleration. The fix. Be honest about your driving. If you do a lot of long-distance or fast-paced driving, seriously consider the more powerful engine options if available in your market, or look at the performance figures closely. If you're a city driver, the hybrid is a no-brainer for running costs, but be ready to test its on-road manners thoroughly. Mistake number 2. Buying the wrong trim level for the tech. Don't get fooled by the base price tag. You might save money up front only to miss out on the Captur's best features, the ones that truly make it a modern car. The 2025 Captur looks great, even in the lower spec trims, but its most desirable features are often locked behind the higher Techno or Esprit Alpine grades. We're talking about the huge portrait-style open-R Link infotainment screen and the crisp 10.3-inch digital driver display. Base models come with a smaller, less impressive system. Buyers who choose the entry level to save money often regret missing out on that seamless Google-connected experience that makes the cabin feel truly modern and high-tech. The fix. Don't just look at the pictures. Go to the dealer and try out the infotainment system on the specific trim you plan to buy. For the full premium experience the Captur promises, upgrading to the mid-range Techno trim often represents the best value, giving you the big screens, superior connectivity, and better safety features like the 360-degree camera system. Mistake number 3. Overlooking interior quality and space limitations. The Captur's interior design is sharp, but look closer. Not everything is as premium as it seems, and what about those passengers in the back? While the design is a massive step up from older models, you will find some hard plastics in the cabin, particularly on lower door panels and around the central tunnel. This is common for the compact SUV segment, but it can feel disappointing if you expected a truly premium feel across the board. More importantly, don't forget the back seat. While the Captur is compact, rear passenger space is snug. Taller adults will find knee and headroom limited, especially on longer journeys. So, here's the fix. Always bring your tallest friend or family member along for the test drive. Seriously, make them sit in the back to gauge comfort. For practicality, remember that the Captur offers a sliding rear bench seat on most models. This is a brilliant feature that lets you prioritize either more boot space or more legroom. Be sure to use it during your inspection to really understand how much space you can realistically create for luggage or passengers. Mistake number 4 is not factoring in the long-term costs of the EDC gearbox. And, automatic convenience comes at a price. The Captur's automatic gearbox is fantastic when new, but it's a known trouble spot on older generations. The Captur's EDC, or efficient dual clutch, automatic transmission is generally smooth, but previous generations of this gearbox have a well-documented history of needing costly maintenance and repairs over time. While the 2025 version is updated and improved, dual clutch units in general are more complex than traditional automatics. Issues like jerky shifting or premature clutch wear can happen, and repairs can be expensive. So, here's the fix. If you go with the automatic, which you definitely will with the hybrid, make sure to take full advantage of Renault's warranty and their extended service plans. And, it's crucial to research and budget for the proper, timely transmission fluid changes, just like the service manual says. This is honestly vital preventative maintenance that a lot of buyers just overlook, and if you're considering buying a used 2025 model later on, you should absolutely demand a full service history that proves this maintenance has been done. Mistake number 5. Skipping the comprehensive test drive. Here's the thing, a 5-minute spin around the block just won't tell you the full story of how the Captur behaves on the road. This is the kind of mistake that, leads to instant buyer's remorse. The Captur can sometimes feel a bit choppy or firm out there, especially if you go for the models with those larger 18 or 19-inch wheels you'll find on the top-spec trims. While the smaller wheel options often deliver a smoother, more comfortable ride, the larger ones can really transmit more bumps and jolts into the cabin. Plus, the E-Tech hybrid can sometimes have this unsettling, slightly inconsistent braking feel as it switches between regenerative braking and the physical brake pads. If you've never driven a hybrid before, that sensation can definitely take some getting used to. So, the fix here is to schedule a long, varied test drive. Take it on city streets with speed bumps, try some winding roads, and, crucially, get it up to motorway speed. Pay really close attention to the ride quality, especially if you're on those larger wheels, and see how the hybrid brake pedal feels under different conditions. This is your chance to make sure the car's driving characteristics actually match what you're expecting before you commit. The 2025 Renault Captur is honestly an excellent compact SUV. It blends European flair with a really practical high-tech package, but by avoiding these 5 common buying mistakes, like matching your engine to your commute, choosing the right tech pack trim, and being smart about long-term maintenance, you can make sure your ownership experience is a smooth and enjoyable one. So, which of these mistakes were you most likely to make? Let us know in the comments below. And hey, if you found this guide helpful, please give this video a like, and remember to subscribe to Supercar for more unbiased, in-depth reviews and buying advice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.